It is mine. I see me.
What up, what? Yes, man. Are the top 4 contributors for the country's high crime rate.
See? Oh, my friend.
You coming out of pocket, better get up what you feeling. Ain't nobody in my life, and you know I'm fitting it right. Look on me cute and nice, you know I was your paradise. Look from when me I say I you, I criticize and accuse everything me do. No matter with the ring, me not there with you. Invisible even though I say me there so.
Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. So let's get right into it.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, empower all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something, me, what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, kids are grown. My word, my sentence, my pacifier. Alright, so this, for number 10, I'm going to show you 2 videos with, 2 little girls. And I want you to tell me if you think that the behavior is appropriate or you think it is too mature for a child. So the first video I'm going to show this little girl now, look like she's at some place and she end up in a one little argument. Take a look.
Lick me. Lick me. Lick me. You come on the argument. Lick me. Lick me. Lick me. Lick me. Lick me. I never seen no lick me. Are you not lick me?
Okay, no, the girl, she is quite feisty. She is very feisty. I am very impressed though, like, even though she didn't argue, she never used no expletives, so I have to commend her for that, because some of them people nowadays, like, them no business if you're adult, them will tell you about your parts, them in all kind of colorful language. And now, the next video that I'm going to show you now is with this little girl, I enjoy Lali's new song called Tip, so, yeah, check it out. No, is this appropriate? I mean, I never nothing too outrageous to me. I feel like, one of them look a picnic dance, the little new dance where I go on the place to the song there. But what do you say, Burritos? Do you think this was appropriate or nah? I want you to sound off in the comments below. Okay? Number 9, Solanie fined. My jail time. Alright, so social media sensation Solanie got herself in some problem the other day, but due to her party event keeping and hosting abilities, this girl just cannot stop the festivities. So look like the police them contact her and basically say because you want to come break the curfew and really avoid with the laws of the land, come in for some jail time. 120,000 is your bail money, so you can do. And Aunty Donna went to social media to talk about it and try to encourage people for coming and donate money so them could have bail Solanie out of jail.
Whole heap of money, make the whole heap of planka them way about the place comes. Last week, Solanie get money and Solanie come here, so go over there, so go flirt and have cigarette in her hand. Me talk to her. I be a bad word till tell me, say when she go coach, we talk out herself. You in there now, talk out yourself.
So, me don't know what is the situation now. Me hear Solanie must say some things about Aunty Donna. Me don't know if it's true or false, and you can leave it down here. So, in the comments and let me know. If you want to watch the video that I spoke about in length with the whole Aunty Donna and Solanie situation, when you can check out the countdown video right here. So, for that full saga there. Okay, but let me know what you think about it. Would you bail Solanie out of jail? Number 8, Vision 2021. Me Peter Griffin. Alright, so Burritos know this video now. I forgot to show you now. Like this brother, I think he was on last week's countdown for the random video of the week.
I like the nice video.
And he's back at it again. Just breathe.
I'm a tired to walk and people are saying watch a fat boy there. More people start saying watch good shape I come. Watch flat stomach. Watch nice knees. You understand? I them something them want here. I'm gonna tell the fat boy now, man. Fat boy for go sit down and go put on. More here, watch good shape I come. Watch Flat Belly. Watch Nice. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. And them stuff they want here. 2021.
Watch Shape Good. Watch Flat Stomach. Oh God. Watch 500,000 subscribers. Please, Burritos, subscribe to the video so I can achieve that. That is the goal that I want to have. Please come and watch the video one heap of time, man. And it's like I'm just afraid to hit the subscribe button. You know what I'm strive? You know what I'm achieve little things in my life? Like I can't get a little golden Burritos. Just subscribe now, man. Thank you.
Don't watch my zinc rooftop. This zinc rooftop is mine. I built it. Where you build? I better say you're still in your mother's house or you catch your friend in the yard.
Number 7, Andrew versus Dancehall, the politician. Alright, so Andrew Holness, Prime Minister of Jamaica in Parliament, recently made this statement.
In as much as you are free to reflect what is happening in the society, you also have a duty to place it in context. That to take up the AK-47 and done it in a man's head. That is not right. And though you have the protection of the Constitution to sing about it, you also have a duty to the children who are listening to you to say, man, that is not right.
And so from that happened, you know the age-old debate is back at it again as to whether dancehall music, make people violent and vice versa and all of that. And so many entertainers came out online to basically challenge the Prime Minister and his belief, including Movado. Movado went at lengths to make a public declaration to the Prime Minister and to state that he is strongly against this narrative that politicians tend to have about dancehall music influencing crime and violence. And it wasn't Movado alone. Sham actually chimed in on the conversation and had this message for the Prime Minister.
Once imagine that I would take on the responsibilities of a country's governing body or parenthood for an entire nation. From where I stand, as someone from the inner city, the ghetto, and a public figure, I have observed where poverty, poor leadership, illiteracy, and lack of opportunities for the Jamaican youths are the top 4 contributors for the country's high crime rate, not the music.
Like, where do you stand on this? Like, I'm tired of the debate here. I'm tired of this debate. I, for one, I keep on saying, I don't think we can just say, because of dancehall music, why people take up gun and shoot and all kind of things. But I know that dancehall music is very powerful and it helps to shape the culture. That's all. Number 6, Beanie celebrates Angel. Me alta call. Alright, so the Angel celebrated her birthday recently, and as a shock to many, her ex-husband, the king of the dancehall, Beanie Man, went to social media to basically give a public message to his former wife. This is what the post read. So he said, Zaga, blessings to this strong woman on her Earth Day at the Angel Music, to a good friend and a great mom. Wow. And he put one nice picture too, because the little strips go when a woman's birthday, you can't put up any finky picture. You have to find a picture that them personally approve. So my suggestion, go on them page and just take something with them post already, because no matter dig up in your little tag photos and you picture them from 19 or long, find a picture where she approve of. So, that is what Beanie Man said. Danger, she seems that she still has a good relationship with the father of her son. And so, this is good. Like, we don't want animosity. We don't want drama go on. A lot of people are saying that, boy, this a show say Beanie Man really love the Angel. I just think say Beanie Man love all I'm baby man of them. Like, Beanie Man, like, if any woman care for a child, for Beanie Man seems like the type of person where just that alone, he might go honor you upon a certain level. Like, you just have to get him ratings upon the level there, and that is commendable. So, give them a round of applause for, keeping the love there and for them son. So, yeah, big up. Why did I just laugh? Number 5, Romeich and Odyssey. So Yendi Phillips, she has her YouTube show. It is called Odyssey by Yendi Untold Stories. I hope I'm getting the name correctly. If I'm not, then I just need a box on my face from anyone that Yendi's supporters then. Don't do it. Anyway, so her guest on the recent episode was Romeich Major, and he shared his story from beginning to where he's at now, and it was really a good conversation. I like Yendi vibe, because Yendi have a little vibe where she just come in, she open her mouth 2 times and say something, and just left the guest for just talk. And I think that is that's beautiful, especially when you have guests who can open them out. You can't try that with any artist our personality though, Yendi, because some of them people here, if you ask them one question, one word you get. You better make sure so you have your list of things then for ask.
Has fatherhood changed you or shaped you?
Well, the story I gotta get nice now. Father would change me whole heap, you know. And I gotta change me more because I have a daughter on the way.
What?
Yeah, so, you know, the story I gotta get nicer now.
Oh, is that breaking news?
Yeah. So, what happened is that, you know, me have Zan. And when I got him, that really turned me into a man.
Yes.
From the start, one of them youth the way I work, but it turned me into a man.
Yeah.
And then me just tell myself, say, whatever I couldn't have back then, because, yo, trust me, family, they treat me bad. And enough little things that go on, me just see where them treat a young youth. And I say, yo, I have to just work hard and make sure so my son can good.
Yeah. But, you know, with Romeich, it was pretty easy flowing. And I just love the Romeich story because it just kind of shows, say, yo, this man, he never grew up in a big wealthy family, I'm not billionaires and nothing like that. The man literally make himself into what you see today and then pull from one business idea into another one, and each thing the other one till now. He is literally a hub for every single idea that he's had on his journey till now. So when it comes to fashion, when it comes to music, when it comes to management, entrepreneurship all around, is Romeich major. So, you know, good interview, and I'm going to encourage you to go and check it out too. Berry does. Number 4, family update. Me police station. So people, another update on, you know, this entire family saga. No, boy, oh boy, like we don't say he got sentenced to much as 3 years in prison for illegal possession of a firearm. But more details, you know, has come forward. And let me just read it to you right now. So Nationwide said that they understand that the gun seized from incarcerated entertainer Tommy Lee Sparta has been linked to at least 2 murders. The murders occurred in the corporate area. The firearm has also been connected to 3 cases of shooting with intent. No, this does not spell for the Sparta boss at all. Like, boy oh boy, I am just sick and tired of dancehall artists being connected to these criminal activities. It's like you just want to just celebrate them as an artist and, you know, like commend them on them catalog and all of that. But when they hear these things come, you know, in the middle of all of that, it's like a part of you wants to just say, yo, the system I try to set up the boss, but I lie them a life and the man, like the man does not throw the man and make it in a life. They might try to do anything for just to make him fall flat on his face. But at some point in time, it make you really feel wonder, say, is there a link, you know, to criminal activity and, you know, dancehall artists, just artists in general? Is there a link in this Jamaican space? Let me know what you think about this situation and this new update for Tommy Lee Berry does. Number 3, Jamaican history. My GIS. Alright, so Berry does one of the things that I just love about social media is that we always have to find a way to have some sort of festivity. We go and generate the niceness out of the blue. So this is basically a global trend. It started on Twitter. And this concept is basically that they take something from pop culture and make it into a historic event. You get me? They create a narrative around it that would make it seem as if it was something coming from the golden days. And so, I have nothing to say, but I am just going to show you a list of some of the most hilarious ones that I have seen. So, take a look and enjoy. So Berritos, let me know which one was your favorite, which one of these memes stood out to you the most, like the Barbie and Ken one, the Totty Grand Rosie one. Let me know which one was your favorite Berritos. Sound off. Number 2, Zoom fail. My word, my sentence, Berritos. I tell you, so the kids, the students, they are going through this. No, they're not going through this. They are going through it. This, you know, adjusting to schooling and, you know, doing assignments like online, like, you know, technology goes. Sometimes with you another minute, it just like left you for dead out the roadside. Yeah. But anyway, so this video, it showed the students, I guess, engaging with his teacher. You know, in my assignment, I guess it was an oral, so I do film like a partner when things took a turn. Pre.
Victims and bystanders of this widespread phenomenon. Thank you. See? See?
Alright.
Oh, my friend, come and say, yo, must waiting to the Wi-Fi cut off, so so you must scared that man say, yo, no, I push out so much effort.
Alright, so you ready to start?
Huh?
You ready to
They
start?
ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, and you just can't get into it because
No, you know that moment where the youth said, Jesus Christ, woo! I just dodged that bullet. Then the teacher just like, wait, what? I'm still not here. You know, me never did do it back. I wouldn't have done it back. Like, I would have probably been fed up. You can imagine how you practice and you put your best foot forward and then you do it and then the teacher never hear just because of technology. Then you're going to know in your head say the second time might not be as good. Like, you flap yourself right there, so. Funny enough, something like that has actually happened to me while me I shoot the social media countdown. Me I shoot the video and me I go on and then me reach a number one, me realize say my sound did off. I never checked the audio at all, sound did off. But Burritos, has something like this ever happened to you while using Zoom? Sound off below.
I don't know what I'm going to talk, I'm represent for Duttyberry countdown. I have to talk it out, okay? You know the thing go.
And number one goes to Patwa lecturer. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my... Wait, hold on. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to the Patwa lecturer. No burritos. I saw this video, man, and Jesus theme, like, it completely took me by surprise. Like, what?
Hello there. Language spoken in Jamaica. What? Patwa and English. Okay? What are you doing here? Away do ya? It is mine. See me. Where are you going? Away I go. Come back here. Come back here, sir. Why did you call me? Away you call me for? Look here. Look here. See me here. See me here. I'll repeat that. See me here. See me here. Look at this. Look, Pandy. My mom.
It was the aggression for me. Like, when you talk Patwa, you have to deliver it with passion. It have to be very colorful. You can't just do Patwa now and you just dead and just dry. You have to have vibes. You have to feel the energy of all of your ancestors, them. Just move throughout your pulmonary vein, through your artery, your aorta, through your... Wait, why am I just dig up random parts? Like, I never know. What I say makes sense, right? Bright people who watch this, may I say things that make sense, right? Okay. No, but like, and the fact that, you know, I guess, you know, he's a part of that outer menu thing, where, you know, shows him, you know, I look like him white. However, mixed are, you know, I don't know which part along the spectrum, but it even made the video a little bit more interesting to watch, just to see the little dynamic there. But like, you know, homeboy can't say no Jamaican, him know him language, him know how to deliver it. Like, that was like a little bit too authentic, like, very authentic in terms of like how he delivered the Jamaican patois. Very. So, coming, you know, I have to come in the brother here upon the delivery there, but the aggression, man, like, can I take it down a little bit? But that is it, burritos, for the number one video. Let me know, do you know of anybody who delivers their patois with as much passion? Sound off below. Well, that is it. We've come to the end of another Top 10 Social Media Countdown. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button, okay? As well as to turn on your post notifications. Do not forget to leave a comment down below as well. Now, if you see the video, make sure you go and subscribe so we can have more people a part of the Burritos family. I'm trying to get to 300,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, so please to go ahead and subscribe. If you want to follow me on my social media, it is at @TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, all over. If you want to advertise within the social media countdown, please to send me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Take care until next time. Tata!
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, the box cover, him cover all the topics like a him name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, I what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.